What's the emergency there?
Somebody's knocking on my door, real druggy and everything. I have no idea who it is.
What does real druggy mean?
He's drugged up, I guess.
Okay,
He's
you look
just
out.
talking to himself and wobbling all over the place, and maybe he's just real drunk. I don't know. There's somebody on my back porch.
Is he a white guy, black guy, Hispanic, Asian?
He's a white guy.
You know what he's wearing?
Well, he's got a pair of shorts on. I don't think he's got a T-shirt on.
We'll get somebody out there. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, there we go. Let's talk to Porch. What's going on, boss? I see you sitting here. What's going on?
Morning. Good morning.
Come on, get up. Let's go. We're gonna go down here to the cruiser and have a talk.
Oh.
What's your name, boss?
My name is Joseph Mantle.
Joseph Mantle.
Mantle, yeah.
What'd you take tonight?
I swear, you can give me. I didn't take anything.
I can see your pupils and you're laying underneath this rug, dude.
Well, so I've been up for the past couple of days. I live in Lancaster.
What did you take?
I swear, I've been up. I promise. I've been up.
Well, I know you've been up. I can tell.
Well, me for a couple of days.
I
My
know.
little brother's not allowed to stay at the house right now. I've been hanging out with him in his truck.
What has
and
kept you up for a couple of days?
Here, let's go down and sit on the
That's
phone with you. Because I know you don't live here. We got a
No,
call
I
about
don't.
somebody. We got a call about somebody laying on somebody's porch. So boys, keep off the porch and come down here and talk. Just have a seat right here. Right here on the bar. See the bar right there?
That's a comfy spot for you.
Yeah.
So you don't have to be all standing.
Alright.
But I stay in Lancaster, Ohio with my mom right now, and my little brother's not allowed to stay at home right now, so I've been hanging out with him in his truck. And
Where's your little brother stay?
he's staying in his truck right now. He had a TPO that he broke in Lancaster, so he's not allowed at my mom's house. So I've just been ripping and running with him, and then I used to live over here on Sylvan Avenue, and me and my cousin, I had my cousin drop me off because I figured I was.
Drop you off at Sylvan?
Yeah, my ex, she don't live there anymore. I didn't know she moved, so I was trying to come over to my ex's, and I've just been stranded here.
Where'd your brother go?
He's still in Lancaster.
So your brother has a TPO out of Lancaster. Came up here to drop you off.
No, he didn't bring. I came up here with my cousin and my uncle and her boyfriend yesterday.
Where are they all at?
On the south end over off Oakwood.
Well, what are you doing over there?
I was trying to come see my ex, get some. But if you will,
What's your date of birth?
05, and there is a warrant from Ironton, but it's just traffic. So I know
You have a warrant for your arrest?
It's a traffic ticket.
Alright, well,
so I
go ahead, stand up, put your hands behind your back. We're going to detain you right now until we figure out that warrant's good, okay? Go ahead, bring your arms away from it. There you go, bring your wrist closer. So right now, based off your word and what you're saying, you are being detained for the possibility of having a warrant. We'll get it verified and checked, and then we'll go from there, okay? You got anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me, stab me, cut me? Okay. Care if I take everything out of your pockets? So if you went over to Sylvan and you realize your ex isn't there,
well, I realized that yesterday.
What are you doing over here?
Well, Sylvan's right there.
Well, I know we're Sylvan.
I was starting to head back over towards my uncle's house.
What, got sleepy? Because you've been up there? So what? So I'm not trying to hem you up on what you've taken, but nobody just stays up for multiple days at a time without taking anything. Like I said, I'm not trying to hem you up.
No,
if you've taken something, you've taken something. But I can see your pupils, dude. You've definitely taken something. Nobody just stays up for multiple days on pure adrenaline.
Well, it hasn't been days and days and days.
Well, that's what you told me.
Well, it's been a couple days, yeah. Not,
All right, well, a couple of days.
Like
Sarge, you stay up for a couple of days at a time, just cause.
All right.
Be up to even 24 hours.
Like I said, dude, I'm not trying to him you up on it.
No,
I just want
it's
to make sure. Do you need if you need medical attention or anything that
No,
we
no,
can go
sir.
that we can get some proper.
I understand. I
Okay.
respect that.
All right, go ahead and have a seat right here. My partner's gonna finish getting your social and the rest of your information, and we'll
Okay.
go from there.
You got a good phone number we can reach you at?
Joseph, you ever served in the armed forces? You did?
What was your MOS?
Bravo.
What'd you do your basic at?
Fort Benning, Alpha 219.
How about your active duty?
2nd Brigade, 105 Cav, Fort Hood.
Go overseas?
No, sir.
How long were you in?
2 years, 17 weeks.
2 years, 17 weeks. Why'd you get out?
I was in my contract. Actually, had I not broke my wrist and not went to Fort Hood, I probably would have been in a little bit longer. To be honest with you.
You said your cousin and them lived on Oakley?
Oakwood.
Oakwood.
Yeah, over by Parsons and Livingston, kind of children's
So they
area.
just dropped you off at Sylvan,
Well,
but you
I went back to their house with them and we were drinking.
how far is that from here?
It took me quite a while to walk there yesterday. It took me a couple hours. Just to get over
So they
this
drove
way.
you up here from Lancaster, and then you're just,
Well,
you're just out here walking
hang
around
out.
now?
We was gonna go swimming, go fishing, what have you. And we never made it. We started drinking, and my cousin's boyfriend's a douchebag in my eyes. We wasn't clicking, so I just left.
Why don't you have your brother come pick you up? You said you were out here ripping around with your brother.
Well, I don't have a phone on me, sir.
What's your drug of choice now?
To be honest with you, that's marijuana. That's my weed.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's my drug of choice. I do drink occasionally.
What else have you dabbled in?
I mean, I've pretty much done any and everything back, at some point in time, but I've never really been.
When was the last time you did something hard? Like I said, dude, I'm not trying to.
I ate
I'm not.
mushrooms about 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. I like hallucinogens.
Yeah, I think you're on a little bit something more than that. I mean, Sarge and I might have been born at night, but we weren't born last night. So it's like
You're sweating bad.
Oh, I know. Trust me,
It's
I know. I
actually
think I was dehydrated yesterday because almost everything I drank, I was keeping it back up.
well, dude, you haven't stopped moving since you sat down. I can tell by your eyes. You're sweating profusely, and
Look,
you're
man,
laying on
we're not
somebody's
here to
porch.
jam you up.
I'm just trying to.
Sir,
And
I
because
understand.
you're a veteran, I'm more inclined to kind of talk to you a little bit about it.
Yeah, well, I mean, and trust me, I do respect that. I want to be completely honest. Here about a year ago, I was fucked up with fentanyl. Since then, I went to jail and got clean from that. I'll never touch that shit again. So I do understand where you're coming from, but I understand
When'd
I'll
you
never
get
go
out?
back down that path
When'd you get out?
of jail.
No, of the Army.
2011.
Where is home?
So where are you trying to go tonight? Let's say there's. I don't know what's going on with your warrant situation, but there's nothing going on with your warrant situation. You have to go somewhere tonight. Where are you going to go? You can't stay on this lady's front porch.
I know that. Sometimes it's getting beat.
What time do you think it is?
About 2:30.
I was thinking, it looked like it's almost getting out of daylight that way. I was thinking maybe 3:30.
You got about another.
You got about another 4 hours. The only reason it looks bright over there is because of the lights on the building make it look like it. You have nowhere to go.
I don't want to go to the show or nothing.
I'm not gonna
Just gotta
take
wait
you
for
to
the
the
library to open and use the phone.
Is somebody in Lancaster that's gonna come up to get you?
My little brother is like gas money, probably not. The only thing, the only person I got is my mom. My brother down there, my dad lives in Morgan County.
Morgan. Where?
Hollinsville, the other side of New Lex.
Okay.
Yeah, way far away.
How long ago did you break up with your girlfriend?
We split up while I was in jail.
When were you in jail?
How long?
When were you in jail?
From November to March.
So you just got out pretty recently, then, a couple months?
What were you in jail for?
Well, probation violation, third report.
What were you on probation for?
Being a wrong person at the wrong time.
That's not a charge.
Well, I know.
Just
but it is.
be honest with me, man. We
Well, I
see
know,
it all. You might as
yeah,
well
but
just,
it's
tell me.
truly embarrassing because I honestly didn't commit the crime. I copped out because I was actually in jail.
Couldn't have been too bad if it was only several months.
Yeah, well, it was a B&E. Like, I honestly didn't do it. When the cops showed up, I didn't run. To be completely honest with you. But I didn't, it wasn't a situation I put myself into just to.
Or was that down Lancaster?
Obviously.
Here in Columbus?
Here on the west side?
Bottoms, yeah.
On where?
Bottoms. Down
Oh, over in the bottoms? Okay. Who was with you there?
Covered hill.
Huh?
Dude, man. There's somebody, girl's boyfriend. This lady I was doing work for, her boyfriend at the time. Piece of shit.
What was your girlfriend's name? She said she lived over on Sylvan?
My girl, yeah, we lived on Sylvan from 2018 until when I was in jail.
And you got out, went back, and she wasn't there?
Well, no, I knew what it was by the time I got out, but we kind of been talking here and there. She got my dog down about a month ago because she had to move, like I said. And then I just, see what she was doing last night. I didn't really realize that she already moved and had to move. She said she had an outfit. There's a dumpster in front of the house. Not this, no. So,
Where's your warrant out of that you think it's out of?
it's Ironton. I was on my way to my grandma's funeral. Whatever. Yeah, they've never came and got me before. It's been
That's
since
gonna be
21.
probably. What are you trying to do, man?
What's that?
What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do with your life?
Trying to get my record soon so I can get this job as barber. It's a union job. I'm HVAC certified. I was working on my master's in plumbing until a couple years ago. Pretty well rounded with electrical. Baby steps right now. I'm trying to get my shit sealed.
You take any of the CLEP stuff while you're in? Any of the CLEP stuff while you're in? That test?
For the,
While you're in the military and stuff like that? Get certain certificates and stuff?
Well, like
You're not
my
for
EIB or anything like that?
So like when you're going to school, the military will offer different things. It's called like CLEP testing, I think is what it's called. So basically, like you can go and get certain certificates, get certain college credits, certain class credits, and it'll help towards different things. Basically, they'll give you the test and see like, do you understand this class? And if you pass the test, you don't have to take the class; they just give you credit for it.
Oh, okay.
And you can do that for different things. I didn't know if you took it. I didn't know if,
No, I paid the $100 a month for the GI bill, but I still haven't even utilized that. I went to a technical school, so.
Okay. 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 Alright, boss. Go ahead, stand up for me, alright? I'm just gonna have you have a seat in the back, alright?
Oh, it's taking a while to come back.
Yeah, that's what it's looking like. Go ahead, have a seat. This is a B&E out of Lancaster.
Whoa, what?
Yeah, it says burglary out of Lancaster.
When was this? Hold on.
It's through Franklin County Sheriff's. And
My B&E happened on Cypress Avenue, 2022.
Well, I saw that one too. That one's old. This one is new.
What's this? I've never broken in anything. What the heck? I've been at my mom's house that entire time until I just left it from the
I don't know, man. Sheriff's office. That's all through the sheriff's office. But we called down and verified everything, so.
Verify possible warrants for